Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Today's video, markets lifetime high, 38% stocks also lifetime high. Today, Nifty touched another milestone of 21,000 points. It took only 8 trading days for Nifty to go from 20,000 to 21,000. So very fast and one-way movement from 20,000 mark. Due to the overall optimism in the markets, individual stocks have also been rallying a lot. Around 19 stocks, which is 38% of the Nifty 50 index, have recently touched their new lifetime high. The Nifty 50 reached a new high of 21,005 today, and the Sensex hit a fresh record of 69,888. This was due to the positivity of the RBI announcements made today morning. RBI announced that it will keep interest rates unchanged until the next meeting in February 2024. RBI has forecast the GDP for next many quarters, and I put the table below. October to December 2023, 6.5% growth GDP forecasted. Then January to March 2024, 6% growth. April to June 2024, 6.7%. July to September 2024, 6.5%. October to December 2024, 6.4%. RBI has also forecast the inflation for the coming quarters. October to December 2023, 5.6% inflation expected. January to March 2024, 5.2%. April to June 2024, 5.2%. July to September 2024, 4%. October to December 2024, 4.7% inflation expected. The RBI governor was very confident of India's current economic strength. India is currently the fastest growing large economy in the world. This was a reason for the overall optimism in our stock markets. The following are the stocks which have made new lifetime highs in the last few days, or some of them have made it even today. Number 1, Maruti Suzuki, current price 10,600 approximately, lifetime high 10,933. The current price may be not as per the closing price because we made this video just before the closing of the day. L&T 3,387 approximate current price, lifetime high 3,430. Nestle India 24,915 and lifetime high 25,175. Tata Motors 713 current price, lifetime high 727. Titan Company 3,640 current price, lifetime high 3,645. Grasim 2,048 current price, lifetime high 2,099. Adani Ports current price 1007, lifetime high 1082. SBI Life Insurance 1460 and 1483. Power Grid Corporation 228, lifetime high 233. ICICI Bank currently 1005, lifetime high 1016. Sun Pharma 1233 current price, lifetime high 1258. Tata Consumer 946 current price, lifetime high 963. Mahindra current price 1671, lifetime high 1710. Ultratech Cements 9384 current price, 9400 lifetime high. Bharti Airtel current price 998 and lifetime high 1046. Axis Bank 1119 current price, lifetime high 1152. Bajaj Auto 6069 current price, lifetime high 6217. Eicher Motors 4036 current price, lifetime high 4200. NTPC current price 283, lifetime high around 292. Apart from these stocks, many other stocks are also close to their 52-week high and maybe even close to lifetime high. Nifty is experiencing its longest winning streak since December 2020 with 6 consecutive weeks of gains. Today, after touching the 21,000 mark, there has been some profit booking and it closed slightly below the high of the day. As per some technical analysis parameters such as RSI, Nifty 50 index and many individual stocks are in overbought zone for short term. So even though everything is positive as of now, some correction can be expected anytime. However, the long-term trend of Indian markets will be up, and investors who do not invest or do not invest enough are sure to regret in the future. sometimes many people may be investing 5 or 10,000 rupees only per month when they can invest much more into the stock market. In the later stages, in the future, when you get some amount of money from stock markets, you will feel that if I had invested a big amount, then I would have got a bigger amount as returns. So invest with a big picture in mind and not get too greedy when markets rise or fear when markets fall in the short term. If you like this video, please click the like button. And markets are at all-time high. Is your portfolio also at its highest level? If yes, type yes in the comment section. Otherwise, type no in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.